everyone, it's In Video Trial, back with another video. Today, we're talking about your pancreas. This little guy plays a huge role in digestion and blood sugar regulation, but certain foods can wreak havoc on your pancreas. Let's uncover 9 common culprits in your pantry. Let's kick things off with a big one: sugary drinks. We're talking soda, sweetened juices, energy drinks, the works. These beverages are liquid sugar bombs, and your pancreas pays the price. Constant sugar overload makes your pancreas go into overdrive. This strain can lead to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Chronic inflammation can cause severe pain and long-term damage. Next up, we have processed meats. This category includes bacon, sausage, hot dogs, deli meats, basically anything cured, smoked, or salted. Studies have shown a strong link between processed meat consumption and an increased risk of pancreatic cancer. When these compounds are cooked at high temperatures, they can form cancer-causing substances called nitrosamines. So, while a BLT every now and then might not hurt, making processed meats a regular part of your diet is like playing Russian roulette with your pancreas. Let's be honest, who doesn't love a plate of crispy French fries or a juicy fried chicken sandwich? But before you reach for that next greasy indulgence, let's talk about what those fried foods are doing to your pancreas. Deep frying creates harmful trans fats, which increase bad cholesterol, clog arteries, and promote inflammation. These fats disrupt pancreatic cells, increasing the risk of pancreatitis and pancreatic cancer. Now let's address the elephant in the room: alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption might not pose a significant threat to most people's pancreases, excessive drinking is a different story. Repeated episodes of pancreatitis can cause irreversible damage to the pancreas, increasing the risk of chronic pancreatitis, pancreatic insufficiency, and even pancreatic cancer. We've talked about sugary drinks, but it's not just liquid sugar that can harm your pancreas. Refined carbohydrates like white bread, white rice, pastries, and sugary cereals can also wreak havoc on this vital organ. Over time, this constant roller coaster of blood sugar spikes and crashes can wear down your pancreas, leading to insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and an increased risk of pancreatic cancer. While dairy products can be a good source of calcium and protein, full-fat dairy can be problematic for your pancreas. Consuming large amounts of saturated fat can increase your risk of developing high cholesterol and triglycerides, which can lead to the buildup of fatty deposits in your arteries, including those that supply blood to your pancreas. While more research is needed to confirm this link, it's best to err on the side of caution and limit your intake of full-fat dairy products. Now, let's talk about red meat. While lean meats can be part of a healthy diet, excessive consumption of red meat, especially processed red meat, has been linked to an increased risk of pancreatic cancer. Some studies suggest that heme iron may promote the formation of cancer-causing compounds called N-nitroso compounds, or NOx, in the gut. So, while you don't have to completely eliminate red meat from your diet, it's a good idea to enjoy it in moderation. You might think you're doing your pancreas a favor by swapping sugary drinks for diet sodas and artificial sweeteners, but think again. Artificial sweeteners are synthetic sugar substitutes that provide sweetness without the calories of sugar. However, they can trick your body into thinking it's consuming real sugar, leading to an increase in insulin production. While the evidence is not yet conclusive, it's best to err on the side of caution and limit your intake of artificial sweeteners. We've covered a lot of ground, but there's one more culprit we need to expose: high-sodium foods. Excessive salt intake can lead to high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease. High blood pressure can damage blood vessels throughout your body, including those that supply blood to your pancreas. Reducing your sodium intake is beneficial for your overall health, including the health of your pancreas. So there you have it, 9 common foods that could be wreaking havoc on your pancreas. Remember, your pancreas is a vital organ that plays a crucial role in digestion, blood sugar regulation, and overall health. By making simple changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing pancreatic problems and improve your overall well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips.